Hi, Tyler with Caster Concepts. Thought I'd check in with some more product information. Here in front of me, I've got what we call the Twergo Xtreme. This version here is actually an 8x2. It's a dual wheel version of our Twergo. This caster is specifically rated for 1,500 pounds per caster, but we do have variations of this that get up to 3,500 pounds if needed. This caster here, it's great for ergonomic benefits. Pretty ideal for a load around 2,500 pounds. I would expect that to get you 50 pounds or less of push force when doing testing. If you need any more help with testing or anything like that, check out that video for more information on that. This Twergo Xtreme anyway, it's a completely maintenance-free caster. You'll see in the swivel section, no grease zerk or anything like that. Slotted bolt hole pattern to accommodate most carts that are already out there. Now the actual wheel itself, it's going to have a precision ball bearing in it, so there's no grease that goes into them either. It's an aluminum core, so it is a little bit lightweight versus your standard polyurethane on cast iron cores. This green tread is what we would call a PTMEG. It's an ergo tread. What that means is it's got great rebound in it, so if this were to sit for a long time and possibly develop a flat spot, you just roll it back out, it'll come back to its normal state. Now this caster is also debris reflectant, so in tire manufacturing facilities you'll see a lot of buildup on the tires. You won't see that here with this green tread on it because that'll help. Now we do have other color treads depending on the weight capacities needed, so make sure to consult the sales rep if anything's needed there. The last thing about this is it is a version of the Twergo design, so it is made with our parabolic face, which is just great for ergonomics as well. If you like content like this, please subscribe for more.